And keeping a very close eye on an active weather day now. Out of Keeneland, it is just cloudy with some occasional sprinkles, maybe a little drizzle around. A lot of that is clutter on the MaxTrack, but there it is, showers and storms, obviously inundating our southwestern counties, and some of the rain is creeping up on Danville and London, and you've got some lightning mixed in with it. Nothing severe as of yet within the viewing area, but there have been a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings to our southwest, and it is a much more involved situation to the west. I mean, just look at the frequency of the lightning and the torrential rainfall from Bowling Green through Glasgow. They've had anywhere from about 450 to 460 lightning strikes within this frame of view in the past half an hour. So clusters of frequent lightning and torrential rainfall. These are all severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect. Hopkinsville going down into Tennessee. They had a tornado warning out there briefly out west. This is all, of course, west of Bowling Green. So a lot of the action's in western Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm watch across much of Nashville, well, all of Nashville, much of central and eastern Tennessee. And it bumps up into our western Kentucky counties and does clip our far southwestern Kentucky counties as well. Columbia, Jamestown. So Russell and Adair counties are both in on it. It goes through noon. The storm threat has diminished somewhat for the bluegrass. We're under a marginal risk now from the Storm Prediction Center, and then it goes slight to enhanced as you drop south. So a little bit of good news. Doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet, though, because I still believe we will see a round of stronger storms coming through by mid to late morning and into the afternoon. That blows through. Some stronger damaging wind gusts, a little bit of hail and heavy rain, and then a secondary wave getting going this evening and blowing through eastern Kentucky before a front sweeps through and we finally simmer things down. So we've got activity this morning, another wave by mid to late morning into the early afternoon out east, and then that final wave coming through tonight with a cold front. So really about three different aspects to this system as it comes plowing through here. Look how heavy the rain has been. They've had almost 2 inches of rain in Edmonton on the outside of the viewing area there. We've had much lighter amounts, but they've had heavy enough rain. They've got a flash flood watch in effect. Includes the same counties that are under the severe thunderstorm watch, but punches a little farther east. So Taylor County, Campbellsville, Casey County, you guys are in on it as well. That's a beautiful view right now. The sun coming up from downtown Lexington, and it is mild, 67 degrees here. But watch out as we go through latter parts of the day. Those storm chances are going to be on the rise. 67 degrees now, highs mid to upper 70s. Rounds of showers and storms. We'll keep a close eye on that strong to severe storm threat. And then later on tonight, that final wave this evening along the front should be through, and we'll see the shower and storm chance rapidly diminishing. And then we dry out and we cool down. Highs go from 70s to 60s to 50s. And the concern here, I touched on it briefly yesterday, and it's still not a slam dunk by any stretch, but we are showing upper 30s Friday morning, which means if we get that cold and we've got that mostly clear skies, you could have some patchy frost potential. Maybe not quite cold enough to get a frost advisory, but still something to keep an eye on later in the week.